Good evening, students. This is your RJ sir. Today we are going to discuss Junior Chemistry IP syllabus, blueprint, important VSQs, important SAQs, important LAQs. Clearly, we'll discuss. This is the best class for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel at the rate RJP25. So by this video, you will get 60 out of 60 marks. And those who are not yet started chemistry, after this class, 100% you will get confidence. What type of questions we need to practice? What are the importance in our first year chemistry? We'll discuss. So right. Don't. And before we do that, see this. Keep calm. Study chemistry. This is clear, student. So now we'll see what are the importance and blueprint all these things step by step. I will explain. Right? Yeah, all of you see here chemistry blueprint for you. See here. This is our chemistry first year blueprint. First year blueprint clear. So how many topics are there? All of you check it out. First one is atomic structure, right? Atomic structure. So here total marks we have here 8 marks from this topic, 8 marks and one LAQ compulsory. Sometimes they are asking this LAQ as a two SAQs. This is there here, very important. So that is nothing but total weightage is 8 marks. Sometimes they are asking 4 marks question, 4 marks question from the atomic structure. Here total. Next one, classification of elements. Classification of elements and periodic properties. In this also we have 8 marks. Total weightage is 8 marks. And here one LAQ is compulsory. So from the classification of elements, mostly there is no VSQs, there is no SAQs. They are asking direct LAQs. Then we'll go for chemical bonding. And chemical bonding also we have here one LAQ. That is from these three topics, compulsory three LAQs will come. Three LAQs. Don't forget this. Three LAQs they will ask you. Okay. How many LAQs? Three LAQs. Clear? So from these three topics, three LAQs will come. So here three LAQs means just now what I inform you that sometimes they are asking LAQs, that is as a 4 marks question in a atomic structure. Okay, so don't forget this one. So mostly these three topics are covered. These three topics are covered. Three LAQ questions. Now chemical bonding also we have, that is 8 one LAQ is there. Sometimes they are asking LAQ. Sometimes just now as a atomic structure we will discuss now. Two SAQs also they are going to ask you. Through SAQs. They are going to ask you two SAQs. But no VSQs from this topic also. From these three topics, there are no VSQs. Previously, they won't ask any VSQ from these topics. Okay, don't forget. Generally, they are asking only LAQs and SAQs from these three topics. Clear, student? Any doubt in this? That's it. So that is the importance of this. Next we will go for here states of matter. States of matter 6 marks weightage. 6 marks means no LAQs. No LAQs. Therefore, no LAQs. Only one SAQ, one VSQ. One SAQ, one VSQ. Don't forget. Okay. One SAQ and one VSQ. Total 6 marks. Similarly, stoichiometry. Same 6 marks. That is no LAQs here also. One SAQ, one VSQ. Right? And also thermodynamics. See here also we have here 6 marks. 6 marks here. Don't forget. Here also 6 marks. That is here no LAQ, but here 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So sometimes they are asking 2 SAQs. That is not there right now. They won't ask like that. So compulsory they will ask you 6 marks from this topic. So this topic also related to 6 marks question. Don't forget this. This is also 6 marks question. Right? One SAQ and one VSQ. Clear, sir? Next one, chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium also 6 marks question. See that is here 4 marks and 2 marks. 6 marks. Okay. And hydrogen its compound. Just it is 4 marks. No 6 marks. That is only 4 marks. Sometimes they are asking VSQs from this topic. Okay, sometimes they are asking VSQs from this topic. Next one, alkali alkaline earth metals, 4 marks. Here also same, sometimes they are asking direct 4 marks question, sometimes they are asking 2 VSQs. Next one, group 13 elements, boron family. Here also 4 marks question, totally 4 marks, and sometimes directly 4 marks and 2 plus 2. Sometimes they are asking here only 4 marks question. Clear? And group 14, that is carbon family. Here also we have 4 marks question, right? 4 marks. That is 4 marks, sometimes 2 VSQs they are going to ask you. Next one, environmental chemistry. This is very important. Environmental chemistry, see this, in environmental chemistry, they won't ask here SAQ. Mostly they are asking, so many times they are asking only VSAQs from the environmental chemistry. Compulsory. From this topic, you will get here 2 VSAQs. Don't forget, shoot. 2 VSAQs will get here, right? So don't forget to practice. So many VSQs are there in the topic, but you have to practice all VSQs. So I will show you what are the most important VSQs from the topic. Okay, step by step. First of all, you can aware of this one. Compulsory 2 VSQs will come, right? Next, last topic, organic chemistry. In that, totally weightage is 10 marks. Weightage is 10 marks. That is one LAQ from this topic. So from these three topics, LAQs are there. Last, organic chemistry also one LAQ. And sometimes this very important. They are asking 4 plus 4 like this. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 2 SAQs they are going to ask you. Whenever first to three topics will get here 3 LAQs, na? 3 LAQs, na? Then automatically from the organic chemistry, you won't get LAQ, you will get here SAQs. This is logic here. Okay. Whenever they are asking first to three topics LAQs, then there is no LAQ from the organic chemistry. Whenever they are giving here first two topics LAQs, for example, first two topics only LAQs they are selecting, then it is SAQ question. Two SAQs will come, then one LAQ from the organic chemistry. This is simply we can understand this. Clear? So first two topics, if you are asking two LAQs, then from the chemical bonding they are asking two SAQs and one LAQ from the organic chemistry. If they are selecting first two three topics LAQ, then we'll go from here two SAQs. Okay, don't forget this is a simple logic to find the LAQs coming from which topics. Okay, mostly we have one is organic chemistry, remaining are first three topics are most important LAQs questions. Clear, student? That's it. And from this and organic chemistry, one VSQ is compulsory. Compulsory one VSQ. Don't forget. This is totally we have 76 marks. See the weightage. Mostly it is covered. 76 means so we have option now. So we need to write how many questions here. How many questions? Mostly LAQs are 2, right? And SAQs are 6 and VSQs are 10. Totally we get here 60 marks. 60 marks. Here is a one LAQ option. Here is a two SAQs option. No option here. All should be written. Okay. We need to all VSQ should be you need to write. There is no option. Okay, student. This is the blueprint for you. Take screenshot. Okay. Next. We'll see next one. Analysis. Question bank analysis. So from atomic structure, LAQs, LAQs. We have here some questions, most important questions. Some are less important questions are there. What are the most important questions? What are the less important questions? I will tell you most important questions from this. Here, all of you concentrate here, student. So here some are triple star questions are there. From the atomic structure, mostly triple star questions are here. Bohr's theory. One is Bohr's theory. Okay. Second one is quantum number. Quantum number. These two are triple star questions. Remaining are there, but that are not much important. Okay. Classification of elements, three questions are there. That is already IE1, IE2, one question. Periodic properties, one question. SPDF blocks, one question. Like this, we have here three important triple star questions from this topic. Next one. From the chemical bonding, one is hybridization, sp3, sp2, sp3 hybridization question is, and one more is very important MOID diagrams and hydrogen bonding and combination, coordinate covalent bonding hydrogen body combination like this here. One question will be asked in a as a triple star question. Okay, so that is here triple star. Okay, well, that is the most important elements. So remaining topics here mostly we have here. We'll discuss all SAQs, whatever SAQs they are going to ask you one by one. I will show you questions. Go for here. See, one by one we'll discuss all of you from the atomic structure. How many questions are there? See students, from the atomic structure, we have here long answer questions. Long answer questions. What are those? Just noise. What are the postulates of Bohr's hydrogen atom? Discuss the importance of this model to explain the various series of line spectra of hydrogen. This is most important question. Don't forget, this is most important question, student. Okay, compulsory they will ask you. Compulsory they will ask you. Most important question. Clear? Second question, kids. Second question. See, what are the quantum numbers? Just now, what are the quantum numbers? And explain their significance. This is very important question. After first question, we need to discuss here. Second question is what are the quantum numbers? Don't forget, this is also very important for us for LAQ. Next one you see remaining also we have remaining, that is the atomic model, atomic orbital, SPDF, atomic orbital, help of the diagram. That is not much important. Don't concentrate on this. Okay. The combination. See this combination here. Explain the difference between emission and absorption. SAQ this is. And explain Auger principle and Oud's rule and Pauli's exclusion. This is also SAQ. They are mixing two SAQs. Mixing two SAQs. Sometimes they are asking as a. Sometimes they are asking as a LAQ. Okay. And this is very important. You see. Explain the Planck's quantum theory. Okay. And that is B and A like this combination. And one more is show that. See, sixth one. Show that circumference of Bohr's orbit for the hydrogen atom integral multiply of that is related to here, related to de Broglie. This is repeated so many times, friends. This is repeated so many times as a and B type. So this is as asked as a 4 marks question. This question also important. For that, one more B. See what is photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? They are asking as a 4 marks question from the atomic structure. Don't forget. Clear? Atomic structure. Clear? Next one. See, one more advantage of limitation, advantages and limitations of Bohr's theory. This is also sometimes they ask SAQ question. For LAQ, they are mixing A, B, C like this. So this is also important for us. Don't forget to practice this also. Those who are want to get 60 out of 60, compulsory you want to follow this one. Next one remaining not much important. So leave it. Okay, that's it. Next one we'll see classification of elements and periodic properties. Long answers. The first one IE1, IE2. Why IE2 greater than IE1? And discuss the factors of IE1. Very important compulsory question. This is compulsory question. Next one. Next important triple star. See, triple star question here. So what is the periodic property? How the periodic properties are vary in a group and period. This is important. So here sometime atomic radius, ionization enthalpy, and electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity, nature of oxide like this. There are two questions. Sometimes they are changing these values. Okay, they are asking nature of oxide, electronegativity, ionization enthalpy. This will be changed sometime. Okay, so don't forget reducing properties. Okay, like that anyone will be changed. Electropositivity like this one or two variable will be changed. So these two are very important for triple star LAQs. Clear, student? Next we will see one more important. This is also triple star just now. See that is what are SPDF blocks. So write an essay on SPDF blocks. So this is also important LAQ. Don't forget. Clear? Next one. From this, just now I informed short answers will come. So previously in atomic structure also you can see some short answers, and that is AB combination. Short answer means AB combination. Similarly here directly short answers will be asked instead of LAQ. See, give any four characteristic properties of transition elements and electronaffinity of chlorine more than that of fluorine. This is also important. And what is length and contraction and sequences, consequences. Okay, and electronaffinity. Explain these two terms. Sometime write note on atomic radius, metallic radius, covalent radius. This is SAQ is there. Next one, see, use outermost electronic configuration of noble gases, repellent elements, transition elements, inner transition elements, general property they are asking. Sometimes they are asking. This is single star question. This is triple star. See, fourth one and fifth one most important up to sixth. Remaining two are 7 and 8, 9 not much important. Don't concentrate on this. Clear? Next one, see, electron refractor sodium is also not much important. So, but if we want, you can read. And 12th one important. See, 12th one is very important for this. So, sometimes they are asking this one. Okay, what is the diagonal relationship? What is diagonal relationship? So, that is the important one. Okay. Next, we'll see chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. Long answers. So triple star. One, two, three. Three long answers. But most important two only. Third one is double star. So what do you mean understand that hybridization and different type of hybridization SP, SP2, SP3 like this. Okay. Don't forget this hybridization. Okay, student. So that is a very important for you. What hybridization? Sometimes they are asking, sometimes they are not asking. Okay, mostly we need to concentrate these three type of questions for LAQ. Clear? For LAQ. First one is hybridization. Second one, Vesper theory. This is also not much important. Vesper theory, very less time he asked in an annual examination. Okay, and this is important. Third one is important actually. What is the molecular theory? MOED, N2 and O2. They are asking A and B for LAQ. Sometimes only they are asking A, and the remaining they are adding one more SAQ. One more SAQ. Don't forget. Clear? Next one. Next one. See, this is also important, but not asked more number of times. Not asked more number of times. That is here you can see favorable conditions for the formation of ionic bond. Okay, less time they ask. So most important hybridization. Next one is MOED diagrams and very less important for Vesper theory. Clear? And here SAQs are very important students. SAQs very important. See first up to eight. First eight. Okay. First eight SAQs. That is fifth one. What is the compulsory question? Explain the hybridization of PCl5. And same, we have here SF6 here, seventh one. Anyone will be asked. Otherwise, the hybridization, sp3 hybridization, explain sp3 hybridization by taking ammonia NH3. Okay, and we can explain hybridization, bond angle, all these things, lone pair electrons, okay, whatever it may be. We need to explain about sp3 hybridization by using ammonia. That is also sometime asked in a SAQ. Next one, see, similarly methane. Same, these two questions are sixth question and eighth question. Both are mostly same story. Sixth and you can see sixth question and this sixth question and eighth question both are similar. Both are asking here sp3 hybridization. This is your ammonia. Here NH CH4. Similarly, these two questions also same, isn't it? Which one and seventh one and fifth one. These two also mostly same. Okay, so don't forget this. These two also almost same because there is a relation. Both are having here hybridizations, sp3 hybridization. Both are having sp3 hybridization, and the fifth one and seventh one both are here sp3d and sp3d2 hybridization. Clear? See this. These two are sp3 hybridization. This one sp3d, and this one is sp3 d2 hybridization. Clear, student? So compulsory based on the hybridization, one question will be asked. So don't forget. So you have to practice these all questions clearly for SAQs. Okay. Sometimes they are asking as a LAQ. Okay, as a AB. Clear? Remaining not much important. Not concentrate on that. If you want, you can read Poisson's rule. Right? Poisson's rule also there. Go for Poisson's rule here. You can learn that. Poisson's rule also important. Poisson's rule sometimes they are asked. Otherwise, that is not much important for us. Okay. And dipole moment also somewhat important, not much important. That is also. double star question. Remaining, and this is very important. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Compulsory question. This is also SAQ question. Okay, don't forget. What is hydrogen bonding? You types of hydrogen bonding. Suitable example. Okay, and one more. This is also after some time. That is acetylene and ethylene. Both are important. Okay, so what is the structure of ethylene and acetylene? The structures, hybridization, types of bonds, all these things we can explain with the real structure. And this is also important. Coordinate covalent bond. They ask as a SAQ. Combination of any one of the question. For example, coordinate covalent bond with hydrogen bonding. These two, sometimes they are asking these two questions. You can see these two questions as a these two questions. See this one hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, and coordinate covalent bonding. They are asking as a LAQ, as a AB. Okay, that is also combination is important. Okay, don't neglect this. You can learn this SAQ also from this chemical bonding. Clear, students? Next one will go for this. Next one, remaining not much important. Valence bond theory, these are not much important. Okay, go for this. VSQs from this topic. Sometimes they are asking VSQs, but mostly very less they are asking from this topic. Even though we'll discuss what type of questions are there, what is octet rule, and calcium plus 2 and Zn plus 2. Okay, why which is more stable? Calcium is more stable because it is octet. This is pseudo inner gas electronic configuration. Okay, and Cl is more stable than Cl atom. Cl minus is argon electronic configuration. Cl is atom. It is electron 17. It is 18. That is why argon does not form Ar2 molecule, because it is already stable. Argon is stable molecule. They won't participate in bonding. Therefore, there is no bond between argon to argon like this. So if A and B both different AB molecule becomes a covalent. Okay. So why they are means they are electronegativity difference based on that. See why H2O is higher than HF due to hydrogen bonding, more hydrogen bonding. And types of this is also important. Mostly it is important for internal exams, not our annual exam. They are asking internal exams. Okay, that is why water has more BP than HF, and types of bonds of ammonium chloride. Internal question they are asking, but it is important for our internal exams, but not in a board of exam. Even though you can see once. Okay. Next, these are not important much, and this is also important. What is meant by localized orbital? Okay. This is also mostly asked in the internal exams. They won't ask in a board exam because there is no choice. Okay, because weightage is 8 marks, they are asking two SAQs, and sometimes in LAQ there is another option, no option. Therefore, you not to worry about this. We'll go for here chemical equilibrium and acid and bases. This topic you can see very important here also. Actually, there is no long answer questions from this. Okay, leave this one. It is previously one or twice they asked as a long answer, but now this is not there. This is not there. These two are only LAQ, SAQ students. Okay, don't confuse here. Actually, these two are here. These two are here. LAQs wrong. Only SAQs. They are asking now as a SAQs. So that is very important. SAQ, Lee-Chatelain principle. Okay. Regularly they are asking what is Lee-Chatelain principle factors. Okay, so both are same. You can say here ammonia and sulfur dioxide. This is if asking both na, they are asking both means it is also LAQ. But they are asking only one, any one, ammonia or sulfur dioxide. Therefore, only SAQ question, not for LAQ question. Don't confuse here. This question are not LAQ. They are SAQ questions, and mostly this question will ask. Okay, which question? First one will be asked factors. Otherwise, up to ammonia they are asking. Right? Don't forget. Sometimes instead of ammonia they are taking sulfur dioxide. That is here SAQ question. Okay, sure. Don't confuse here. Right? Next one. Next one we'll see SAQs. Continue SAQs. Explain the broadsheet acids and broadsheet bases with suitable example. This is very important. Triple star question. One more, Lewis acid base theory. This is also important. Okay, these two are most important questions. Don't forget, these two are most important questions. Which one? First one, broadsheet theory. Broadsheet theory. Second one is Lewis theory. These two are important. Okay, sure. These two are important. Don't forget these two questions. Compulsory, one question will come in examination. One question is guaranteed. Clear? Next one. Again, short answers. That is also short answer. This is also short answer. There is no LAQ from this topic. Clear? Now, see, this is also asked in an examination. So, only one SAQ and two VSQs come from this topic. Sometimes only one SAQ, one VSQ will come, total 6 weightage. So, need not to worry about this. Compulsory one SAQ will be asked, whatever just now I shown from this, maybe Lee Chatler, otherwise Brownstein theory, otherwise Lewis acid theory. If they are not asking the two questions, so there is a one more important is conjugate acid base theory with suitable examples. Okay, so this is very important for our SAQ type question. Clear? So many times asked this question. Clear? See, next one, conjugate acid and base with example also they are asking. Which of the following is conjugate acid base pair? Right? This is also important. And sometimes they are asking if they want to go for problematic, they are asking a buffer solution. Anderson equation. Okay, they are giving one problem also, but we have one more problem in pH, that is 2 marks question will come. Therefore, they are not concentrating on problematic question from this topic. Clear? Based on the weightage, right? Next one more is there. What is the solubility product KSP? Mostly this KSP asked in a VSQs. VSQ they are asking, not in a, and also common ion effect also they are asking VSQ. Okay, don't forget to read these two questions VSQ, right? Don't forget. Next one, ionic product of water. This is also VSQ. VSQ mostly they are asking as a VSQ, not as a SAQ. Don't forget. Next one, see most important VSQs. So I won't read all because being time. So you can see this. Otherwise, you can take screenshot. Clear? See what is the homogeneous heterogeneous compulsory question with suitable example. And define equilibrium constant and a relation between Kp Kc. Okay, and some equations will be given. Calculate the Kp Kc. You know formula is there, no? Right? Based on the formula. And what is conjugate? Just now I say conjugate acid base pair. And what is the Kw? What is the value of Kw to what is the units Kw? Okay, and see this is all Brownstein bases are Lewis acid. Otherwise, all Lewis acids are not Brownstein acid. The type of VSC question we ask. Mostly see this 26 to 31. These questions are compulsory questions. Any one question is asked from examination. Compulsory question. One problem from the pH. So you have to practice these questions. Compulsory, you have to practice these questions. Okay. The pH of anything from this 26 to 31, any question will come. Compulsory. Don't forget. Clear? Next, we'll go for one more pH also there. So degree. So degree. What is the degree of ionization? And Lewis acid base example. See concentration of hydrogen. See this is also one question pH and Brownstein base given example. See 2019 this question asked. And what is the this is vector pressure not asking, but previously asked that what is the chemical equilibrium asked. What is the chemical equilibrium asked. So don't forget what is the chemical equilibrium. What is the chemical equilibrium? Instead of this, what is the effect of pressure on a gas chemically? You can learn the definition of what is the chemical equilibrium. Last time he asked that question. So many students are not attending that question because we may not get at a time in examination that answer. So you have to revise once. What is the chemical equilibrium? Right now, you share that question. Clear? That's all. Next one, organic chemistry. Clear? In organic chemistry, we have long answer questions, isn't it? Compulsory, we have here long answer questions. Don't forget this. Long answer questions. What are those? See, compulsory 3 questions we need to practice. First one is acetylene. Second one is benzene. Third one is ethylene. What is the general question? First one is write any three preparations and three chemical properties of ethylene. The standard question from the ethylene topic. Second one, write any three preparations and three chemical properties of acetylene. This is standard question. Last one, write any three preparations and three chemical properties of benzene. These are the standard questions from the organic chemistry. Clear? See, once I will explain here. See this first one. Describe the any two method they are asking. Just now I given only three, but here see remaining four chemical properties they are asking. One preparation is skipped and remaining one chemical properties is added. Therefore, totally we need to learn six. What are the six? Three preparations, three chemical properties. Sometimes they are asking four chemical properties also like this. So mostly you have to practice total such type of chemical properties and preparations of the organic compounds. Next one, see this. Acetylene again asked the same question. Okay, so this is already covered in this upper one. Next one, see again asking acetylene, taking off other reactants. Compulsory, we need to practice acetylene all chemical properties and preparations. Then you can attempt this question. Otherwise, it is not possible for you. Next one, we can see explain Wood's reaction and this is not important question because they won't ask like this. Okay, they won't ask like this. Mostly they are asking ethylene. Same. Just now I said na, what is the preparation and chemical properties of benzene. So here benzene is not given. See this. Benzene is not given. So you have to take here benzene question. What is this? See, this is fourth important. This is benzene. This is the benzene. See, write any two methods of preparation of benzene. Explain the halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration, and sulfonation of benzene. Okay, these two questions are important. So forget about this one, last one. Okay, so instead of this question, fifth question, you can learn simply any three chemical properties and three preparation of ethylene. That's it. Okay, that is from the organic LAQ questions. Clear, right? Now we'll go for SAQs from this topic. What are the SAQs? See, SAQs here, short answer questions from this topic. Short answer questions from this topic. See, this is very important. Short answer questions. So many times asking this question. See this. What are the A, B, C from the reaction? What are the A, B, C from the reaction? Now complete the following reaction they are asking. Complete the following reaction and you have to give what are the A, B, C. Simple this is. See here, calcium carbide and hydrolysis will A. A means acetylene. Simply you can write name also. A means acetylene. Just now we discussed. And we can send through the red hot metal tube at high temperature. B will form. B means benzene. What is B? Benzene. And this is in the presence of benzene react with the AlCl3 and the methyl chloride and undergo methylation. That is methyl group is substituted on the benzene ring. That is C means toluene. Or we can say methyl benzene. A means acetylene, B means benzene, C means toluene. Just you can write the name, we will get the 4 marks. Otherwise, you can practice the structures also. Compulsory question. Similarly, one more is the given. Ethylene series, SAQ. Ethylene. Okay, ethylene question. So this is also similar to that of A, B, C. What are the A, B, C? The ethylene react with the bromine in the presence of CCl4 and form R1, 2 dibromo ethane. Again, react with the alkali KOH. It will be removed, that is eliminated. Again, we are going to react with the bromine. Then that removal of bromines again we need to substitute. Simply we will get here 1, 2 dibromo ethane. Excess we are taking 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromo ethane is formed. Like this, you can practice this one. Okay. One more important, what is substitution reaction? You example they are asking for benzene. Okay. This is also SAQ for the benzene. Clear, student? Next one. See, this is common important questions for organic chemistry. These three common important questions from this organic chemistry. See this. What are those? Which type of compounds? See all of you. 9, 10, 11. Which type of compounds react to the ozone? Explain the one example. Which type of compound? Ethylene react, acetylene react, benzene react. You can take any example. Ethylene, ethylene ozonide. Acetylene, ethylene ozonide. Benzene, benzene. You can go for 4 months. Similarly, second question. Position and function of weight. Easy question this is. Okay. GOC question. Next one. What do you understand that geometrical isomerism? That is cis trans isomerism by taking two butene. Okay, one is cis, one is trans. You can explain cis trans isomerism by taking two butene. That is also very easy question, right? Next one, these questions mostly they won't ask, but in this very important one more is there. That is Markovnikov rule. Very important. What is the Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov? Markovnikov already Markovnikov given. Karas means anti-Markovnikov rule. Karas effect means what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Don't forget this one. This is also important question. Clear, sir? And sometimes they are asking E and Z. E and Z. That is similar to that of cis and trans. You know very well about this one. You can also see this question. Okay. That's it. Okay. These are the important questions from this organic chemistry. Don't go for more than this. Right. Remaining VSQs. VSQs from this is important. This is also so many times asked this question. How to convert benzene to methyl benzene? Just now we discussed. Na? A gives rise B, B gives rise C. That is B to C. This is okay. B to C. So some of these question very easy because interlink with the one topic to other topic, right? So this is also important. And one more is how nitrobenzene is prepared. Nitration. Next one, conformation isomerism of ethane, staggered and eclipse. Staggered and eclipse, two conformation. And this 22 to, see this 22 to this 3, 22, 23, 24, most important VSQs. Most important VSQs. Don't forget this. 22 and 22 onwards. 22 to and 24. 22. There is trichloroacetic acid, neopentane, paranitrobenzoidiate. And what is Lessine test? So many times asked in the VSQ. And explain the chromatographic technique. Okay. And following. See, explain the following means this is sometimes they are asking SAQ. Crystallization, distillation, steam distillation, and distillation under reduced pressure like this. Okay. And one more, you can see this is also important for us. How ethylene is prepared from the ethyl alcohol, right? On dehydration of alcohol, will get this one, right? So that is next one. This is not much important, and also this is also not much important. Now this 29, very important student. 29, all of you take screenshot. 29 question, compulsory question. 29, all of you take screenshot. All of you. 29, very important. See, compulsory. Previously, so many times, 100 times this asked this question. That is, see, what is IUP's name of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 painting. 1 painting, this is what it is. 1 painting. Give the numbering. Give the numbering here. Yeah, this is 1. Yeah, take it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At first place, double bond is there. That is 1 painting. What is 1 painting? 1 painting. That's it over. Can I just 1 painting completed? This is 1, 2, 3. So two double bond ketone is there. So two propanone, two propanone, NONE over. That is will get here 2 marks. Clear? Here also you can see how many carbons in straight chain. You can see this is 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 4 and 8 2. Two methyl groups are there. So 2 comma 2 and 4 comma 4 tetramethyl. Okay, tetramethyl. Clear? Tetramethyl. Many carbons? Pentane. Tetramethyl pentane. Similarly, you can come here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second place, OH group is there. That is alcohol. Okay. So we can say 2 pentanol, 2 pentane, 2 pentane OL or pentane 2-ol. You can write here 2 pentanol. Clear student? That's it. Remaining you can see. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me 2 pentanone. 2 pentanone. Right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You tell me what is the answer? 3 pentanone. 2, 3 pentanone. So many times are these two questions. So many times ask me this question. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this? Yeah. What about this? You can see one minute. Yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 1, at 2, double bonds are there. So but, you can write but 2, comma 3, diene. That's it. But 2, comma 3, diene. But 2, comma 3, diene. Right? Next, what is this? This nitro group. This is aldehyde, benzoaldehyde. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nitro benzoaldehyde. 4 nitro benzene plus aldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Clear? That's it. Similarly, you can give the name for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. At second place, we have double bond. At second place, we have methyl. So, 2 methyl, 2 butene. Clear? 2 methyl, 2 butene. Any doubt? That's it. Similarly, we can go for remaining also. Remaining also. Any doubts student in this? Right? Yeah. You can go for. You can try this one. Remaining also you can try. Yeah. We'll discuss here remaining questions. Write the structures given below. See here, name is given. You can try for the structure. Right? And here also name is given. See structures following compounds. So name is given. Structure. Very easy these all are. You can try. I will explain one. For example, we'll go for here. This one. I will explain. First one. See 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 tetramethyl heptane. Heptane means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptane. Give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where methyl? Tetramethyl. At 3 1 methyl. At 4 2 methyl. At 5 1 methyl. Over. This is a compound. See, this is one methyl. This is one more methyl. Here is a one methyl. Here is a one methyl. This is a compound. Very easy. Come here. See this. Butane. One, two, three, four. One butane. One means here butane. Two methyl. Two methyl. This is compound name. How much easy? Simple questions. Clear? That is a way to find the remaining also. You can try your own. Okay, student. That's it. Come to this next one. Next one. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And what is the type of hybridization each of the following? Yeah, very easy this also. I will tell you for you. See how to find the hybridization on this. Triple bond is there. Triple bond is there. sp hybridization. Single bond is there. sp3. But at other side we have here triple bond. This is also sp hybridization. Double bond is there. sp2 hybridization. Double bond is there. sp2 hybridization. That's it. We'll get the answer for this. Simply, organic chemistry mostly very easy if you know the base. If you don't know anything about this base, you won't understand organic chemistry. Clear, friend? That's it. So now write the following reactions of polymerization again. So polymerization means we have so many examples. Polythene and acetylene we have undergo polymerization and form benzene. Linear polymerization of acetylene is there, and cyclic polymerization will get benzene. So many examples we have. Right? So you can write functional groups, functional isomers from this following molecule. You can write how many carbon, three carbon, one oxygen. You can combine this, how many functional isomers we get. Next we'll go for here. Next one is states of matter. In this short answer questions we'll see. Short answers questions we'll discuss. Mostly in states of matter, we have we have SAQ and VSQ annual examination. First most important triple star all of you see this. See KMTG, very important. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. Next one, deduce Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law from the kinetic gas equation. Compulsory question. This is also most important question, student. Don't forget this. Clear? This is also important question. Next one, this is also state Graham's law. Graham's law also important question. Graham's law also important question. Right? Next, one problem will ask, but very rare based on the RMS velocity. This question will come, will lose 1 mark because calculation somewhat difficult end of the time. Okay, under root some value will be there, under root 3 RT. So we need to calculate root value by M also we have in a root. So be careful while doing this problem. Okay, this is very important, most important. Ideal gas, derive the ideal gas equation. So many times asked this question. What is or derive the ideal gas equation, compulsory question. Right, student? That's it. This is also asked sometime as a problem, Graham's law of diffusion. So you can see this question once. Okay, practice this question. Remaining, that's it. Remaining nothing. So these are here important from the states of matter. First one and second one, third one, sixth one, seventh one. Clear? So that is important about this. Next, VSQs. See, I won't explain all, but you can see here, take screenshot. Isobars, STP conditions, right? Gram molar value, R values. This question 17th is very important. 17th is most important question. 17th is most important question. And 18th also most important question. 18th also most important question. Don't forget this. Okay, clear, student? Next one, 21 also important. 21. 21 also very important question. Don't forget this. What is Boltzmann constant? 23 onwards. See, so many times asked these questions in VSQs. So many times. Take screenshot. What is compressibility factor and Boyle's temperature, right? And the pressure cooker used in a heels. Okay, why we are using pressure cooker in a heels? And critical temperature, surface tension, and viscosity. And 29 question is problem. Compulsory 29 question they are asking for 5 moles of kinetic energy we need to calculate. Right? What is Boyle's law? Very less. Okay. Next one is ISO course, laminar flow. This is also important. Right? And this is 35 again, same question, kinetic energy, and 36 also. So from these three, one question will be compulsory. Take screenshot. Next we'll go for stoichiometry. Stoichiometry we'll see. Right? See, in the stoichiometry, we have 6 marks. One 4 marks, one VSQ, 2 marks. These all are important. We may not say this that one important, this one important because compulsory one question that based on here see ion electron method. Ion electron method. But in ionic electron method we have two mediums. That is one is acidic medium. See this acidic medium and basic medium. So this is your totally acidic medium, right? So in acidic medium, we have here this many examples. So you can practice any one of the question perfectly. You can understand easily. We can solve the problem. Most important, A and B you can practice. That's it. A and B. Okay. A and B both are practiced perfectly. Same rules and regulations for the remaining also. Clear? Sir? That's it. Right. And here third one you can see third one basic medium. Third one is basic medium. So in this third one basic medium they are asking. See this. Third one question basic medium MnO4 minus plus I minus these two. And B is most asked question. B and C both are mostly asked question. Don't forget. Clear, student? So these three A, B, C. These three are important for us. Basic medium. Don't forget to practice. And one more. Sometimes they won't ask. Sometimes they won't ask balancing equation. Then one more alternative is empirical formula. Compulsory. These three questions are important. From these three, one will be guaranteed. From these three, one will be guaranteed. No other questions. So last question D also important, but three are most important. First three. Okay. If balancing is not there, compulsory this question. This question is not there, compulsory balancing. That is the way. Learn two methods. Clear? That's it. Remaining not required. Just we can avoid all. Next we'll see. Sometimes they are asking uh, redox reactions, different type of reactions, oxidation states. This is already we cover in a VSQs. So need not to go for there. Okay, here one more oxidation number method is there. Oxidation number method is very rare they are asking. Very rare they are asking as a SAQ, but sometimes they are asking as a VSQ. This is what is the oxidation number method. You can practice this also. Clear? Next VSQs, compulsory VSQs. One will ask from this topic. Mostly you can see all VSQs are important here. All VSQs. From this, most important I will tell you 16, 17, 18, okay, 19, right? Yeah, these are up to, yes, up to year, up to year, up to year, very important. See this 16 to 26, all are important. So how many moles of glucose present in a 540, 540 grams of glucose? Calculate 0.1 moles of sodium carbonate weight and see these are here. What is redox concept? Significant figures, empirical formula CH2 and disproportionation, comproportionation, and 24 also important. See some questions will be asked like this. Find the significant figures from this. These all are important. Don't forget this. And in this 29 also important. 29, 29, 30. They are asking directly. Previously we seen an SAQ. Same question. Same question asked me. Oxidation states. Don't forget. Clear? That's it. And sometimes these two weight percentage and molarity mole fraction also asked like this. Stoichiometry. You can practice this one. Don't forget. Clear? Okay, student. That's it. And this one 37 also important. 37 oxidation state of this one. Previously asked this question. What is the oxidation state of potassium dichromate and chromate? Right? So don't forget this. Next one, thermodynamics. See the thermodynamics topic. In thermodynamics, first of all, we have here six questions, 6 marks. One 4 marks, one VSQ. From this topic, we have here most important. These first three are most important. First three will start. We have in order. Don't forget. First one, law of thermodynamics, mathematical relation. Next one, S law, compulsory question. Second one, and spontaneity, plus of Gibbs clearance. Right? And sometimes they are asking two VSQs combinedly. They are asking SAQ. That is second law of thermodynamics, entropy. These two they are asking as a SAQ, right? SAQ. Addition of these two VSQs they are asking as a SAQ. Don't forget. Sometimes this is directly asked as a SAQ. CP minus CV is equal to R, right? Don't forget. So remaining all are VSQs. Remaining all are VSQs. Don't forget. Okay, these are not SAQ. They are asking as a VSQ. Just go for VSQ. Listen. And in this ninth question asked also VSQ and also SAQ. VSQ and also SAQ. Ninth question. Don't forget. What is standard enthalpy of formation with suitable example? Adding enthalpy of reaction, enthalpy of sublimation, all they are mixing. Enthalpy of combustion, like this they are asking SAQ. Clear, student? That's it. Remaining VSQs you can see all are important. Define system. See, these all are important SAQs, VSQs. These all are important. Up to 22. Up to 22 all are important students. Take screenshot. Right? State first law thermodynamics. What are intensive extensive properties? 16th one very important. 16th one very important. 16th one most important question. Don't forget this. 16th one very important. Clear? That's it. Next one. And 18th one also important. BSQ. Right? 18th one. Next we'll see 23. This is also VSQ 23. 23, that is a problem. They are asking as a problem. Clear? That's it. Next we'll see hydrogen and its compounds. Hydrogen and its compound. Here we'll get here only 4 marks. Only SAQ. Sometimes they are asking 2 VSQ. Okay? See this. See, in this topic, first one important. First 3 are important for SAQ. First 3. Most important questions. First 3 are important. Okay? See this. Take a screenshot for this. First 3. Hydrogen peroxide chemical properties. Right? Hydrogen peroxide chemical properties. Next one, hydrides, electron deficient, electron rich, electron precise, and ionic hydrides. That is also important question. Sometimes they are asking as a hard water, soft water, ion exchange method. Fourth one also less important. That is double star. Right? And fifth one also double star. What is temporary hardness of water? Okay, that is also they are asking sometimes as a important question. Right, fine. And this is write any few lines about utility of hydrogen. This is actually VSQ. Sometimes they are asking as a combination of anything SAQ, right? Remaining 8th onwards, 8th to 19, all are important. No exception here. All are important. All are most important VSQ. Take screenshot. Most important syngas, coal gasification, autophotolysis, right? Mention you 3 uses of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, for hydral, right? Strength of hydrogen peroxide and how many hydrogen bonds are present in a copper sulfate pentahydrated. Okay, this is very important. Don't forget, take a screenshot. That's one. Next, we'll go for alkali alkaline earth metals. Alkali alkaline earth metals. This topic also we have only 4 marks question, right? 4 marks means 2 VSQ, 1 SAQ. See, in this we have 3 important SAQs. See this. These are your mostly asked question. What are those? Kastner-Kellner process and biological importance of potassium and sodium, also magnesium and calcium. So many times asked these 3 questions. Practice this, okay? And less important, one more 2 are there. That is, you can see properties of washing soda and plaster of Paris. Their combination of these two, they are asking as a SAQ, right? So remaining are not much important. And one more important question is Solvay's process. This is also so many times asked as a SAQ. Don't forget. Clear? That's it. These few lines of cement is a VSQ. VSQ. Right. See, VSQs are there here. All are most important because all are important. All are important. No excuse here. Right? Don't forget. All are important here. All important. All VSQs are important. See, take a screenshot here. Most important here. What is the biological importance of magnesium and calcium? See, 12th one repeated question. What happens when magnesium bursts in air? Okay, that is important. Next one. What is the 14th one? Importance of plaster of Paris. 2018 they asked question series. And next one, see, describe the importance of sodium carbonate and caustic soda. These two also important, right? And remaining you can see why 19th one also important. Why alkali metals are not found in native state or their original state, free state. That is also important. And 20, milk of magnesia also important. Properties of washing soda. That's what it is. All are important. All are important. And why gypsum is added to cement. This is also important. Okay. And 26 also important. Why keyboard is a paramagnetic. Okay. So these all are most important VSQs. Okay. Take screenshot again. I will show you. Right. All are important. Very easy question. They are not tough. Next to group 13. We'll go for group 13 elements. So here we have two important SAQs. Compulsory. See, first one. See, explain the structure of diborane and their chemical properties. That's it. These two questions are one other, one to other. This one sometimes they are asking structure of borane. Sometimes they are asking properties or reactions, chemical properties of diborane. That's it. Compulsory question. These two questions are 100%. They are asking anyone as a SAQ, right? Sometimes less important. They are giving here another two important questions are here. Structure of boric acid. Very less they are asking. But here very important one more question is this. Compulsory is also very important. Borax bead test. Sometimes they won't ask about diborane. They will give you borax bead test. That's it. Clear? That's it. Okay. Right. Next we'll see VSQs. Here also VSQs. All VSQs are important. Students. All VSQs. See, first one tool. All are important for us. All are important. In this, first one important. How do you explain higher stability of titanium chloride, then titanium trichloride due to inert pair effect? Clear? No? So boric acid is protonic acid. Explain. Inert pair effect already third one, 19th third one only. Hybridization of boron in diboron and borazine. This is also very important. What is the formula of borazine? So 12th one also important. Borax colamines formulas they are asking. Clear? So one more is in this 17th one important and 19th one also important. 20 also important, right? Like this. Clear? That is here about our 13 group elements. Now we'll come 14 group elements. Here also 4 marks from this two topic. 4 marks they are going to ask. So from this we have two important SAQs. Two important SAQs. What are those? Compulsory. These two will come. No other questions from this topic. Explain the different properties diamond and graphite. Compulsory question. Not there. See some combination of A B they will ask. So next one. Why that is second one is not much important. This is not much important. Don't take that. Second one is not much important. They won't ask this question. Clear? Forget about this. Now, this is third one important. What are silicones? How they are prepared? See, this is important. This is most important question. Next one. Otherwise, they are asking A, B, C. Write note on. Yes, silicates, zeolites, fullerenes. So many times asked. Otherwise, this is also important. What do you understand by this? Allotropy, inert pair effect, catenation. These questions are also important. If they are not asking difference, compulsory these questions we can see in an examination. Here, no other question from this. Over. Next, VSQs. All VSQs are important. All these are most important. How can I give you importance from this? These only important. So many questions are there. From this, I selected some questions for you. But how can I select from this? Okay. Therefore, you can practice or take screenshot. First one, seventh one, very important. Eighth one important. Ninth one most important. And tenth one compulsory question. Tenth one. Tenth one 100% question. Okay. Graphite is good conductor. Graphite is good conductor. Explain. They will ask you. Don't forget this. Next, yeah, 12th one also ZMS, ZSMN5, zeolites, right? And 14 also, and 16 also important, 18 also important, 19 also important, 20 also important, 22, 21 also important, 22 also important, 23 also important, right? And 26 also important. See, three books are given. 24 also important. So like this here, some important compounds are there. Clear, right? That's it. Last but not least, come to the last. That is environmental chemistry. In environmental chemistry, all VSQs are important. I won't say this important, that important. All are important. You can take screenshot first. You can take screenshot. Clear? I will show you clearly. See, COD, BOD, right? Next one, what are the pollutants? The atmosphere, greenhouse effect. Okay, pH of acid rain, and acid rain causes adverse effect, right? Any two classical smoke, photochemical ban, ozone layer, that is fluorochlorocarbons, ozone hole, TLV, threshold limit value, receptors, vitrification, and pollutant contaminant speciation, bioamplification, green chemistry. Okay, what is the soil pollution, atmosphere? These are very, very important. Last one, common components of photochemical smog. These all are important for our chemistry. All the best for your coming exams. Okay, and you have to get full marks from this topic. Clear, friend? So, those who are getting full marks, please comment after this class. Okay, and thank you for your support. And I got here mostly 399 subscribers, and also mostly 70,000 subscribe means views. Okay, I uploaded more than 200 video files, and sometimes I am giving most important questions without making any bore. While seeing my channel, I am making some funny and also some serious, some all things I am mixing in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Happy New Year for all the students and my subscribers, and especially special yours, right? And this year, good results in chemistry, 60 out of 60. Thank you.